The way this 60-year-old mailman spends his weekends will restore your faith in humanity. Having a unique idea to spend his Sunday providing cleaning services, 60-year-old Clarence Hollowell, a mailman, reportedly spends each Sunday cleaning the headstones of veterans. During weekdays, Hollowell works as a normal mailman with the Jacksonville Beach Post Office in Florida. But Sunday's different for him, as he willingly cleans the worn-down headstones of U.S. veterans. According to the Florida Times-Union, Hollowell told, "Everybody's got to have a project, and I think if you can help the community, even better." Hollowell further told that he belongs to a military family, and he himself also served in the U.S. Army. He initiated cleaning headstones time back when he used to live in North Carolina, and has kept this tradition alive after moving to Florida. Hollowell is occupied by the names and dates present on the veterans' graves. He has a habit of jotting names down and always doing research about it to learn the story behind them. According to Hollowell, he used to visit Ancestry.com to find details about them. Hollowell spends his time with headstones, making them clean with a D2 biological solution. Hollowell says, "Restoring a headstone to an attractive light gray color takes time, from 2 to 3 weeks, and even to months for some headstones." On Memorial Day, he plans a special visit to Old City Cemetery in Springfield, Florida, to clean 2 headstones belonging to First Lieutenant Joseph Howe and Captain S.L. Tibbetts. This shows the importance of Memorial Day to him. Hollowell defines Memorial Day as, "Every town has its own story, like 18, 20-year-old young boys who never came back home. They gave their tomorrows so I could have mine." It's estimated that Hollowell has cleaned 600 graves approximately till May 26, 2019. His satisfaction lies in restored and cleaned headstones, and he refers to them as his pride and joy. Share this amazing story with your friends, family, and relatives. Check out these other videos from Let Me Know. If you haven't made the move to subscribe to our channel, all you need to do is click on that red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.